Today is another day for the escape. Look what I have here. I have two radiators. I got this one here. I'm gonna put this one into the escape while I'm fixing a new water pump. The new water pump has arrived. This is the original one that just came out of there, and the fan as well, which I've removed. It was a tough one to get out actually, because I didn't know how to do it properly. So I made the job harder than it really was. I think next time I do it, it'll be much quicker. It was supposed to be a simple, well, kind of simple. Nothing's really simple when it comes to taking out a radiator, but it's not so difficult that you should be afraid. But yeah, I got it out. It's just a confusion, It's confusing to get it to actually set it up to get it out, because if you've never done it before and you don't understand the way it's set up, designed, it will be difficult. And I learned this original one. It's got a little bit of a crack there coming out. I bumped it against another part and it cracked a little bit, but it's okay. But this is a problem. That's why I'm replacing it, because you can see all this stuff here. This is a sign of coolant leak over a few years, and I did notice it's been losing coolant over a month. I would keep on topping it up. So that's why I decided, while I'm doing this cooling system work on this car, I'll go ahead and replace the radiator. Luckily there was a car there, another Ford Escape, which had exactly the same engine, and it looks like the same radiator. So I can just quickly swap this one into the car, because it was coming from a much younger, fresher car, whereas mine has done a lot of kilometers, and the radiator does show that it actually has probably done a lot of kilometers. The back side of it, the front side of it I should say, the fins are looking good. There's no leaks or anything on the sides and the side tank seals. There's no leaks there, and there's not too many bugs at the front. I can just wash it out. I think I should reverse flush. Well, that was an ant, it just bit me. And I'll try to straighten some of these fins. I'll open them up a little bit more, just to make sure that it's flowing. And even here I'll use a little tool and open it up, just to make sure it's flowing here as well. It's not much issues there, but compared to my original one at the front, you can see there's a lot of dirt here. Look at the dust. It's like a vacuum cleaner, so it wasn't really flowing all that great either. So I'm happy that I made that decision right now to actually replace it. Yeah, it's a good idea. I didn't want to do it, but luckily I'm gonna do it. Hoses, I took some hoses as well, so that's gonna make it easier. I'll just use the hoses that it came with, some of them, and I'll take off the bad ones and replace and put new ones wherever I need to. But that's what it looks like there. And the water pump, yeah, I'll show you that. I did this last night. It was getting a bit dark, and it was in the evening. It wasn't fully dark yet when I started, but I finished it. I stopped when it was dark, so there was no way I could even film it. I didn't even want to film it because it was going to delay me. When you're filming, every job takes twice as long to do, because you have to keep on repositioning the camera. So I decided not to film the radiator removal process. It's a Gates part. So we've got the new pump all there, and also has the housing as well. The whole thing, the pump and the housing. Oh, come on. So that's what it looks like. And that's the problem. It was cracked here. That's why I replaced it. Plastic inserted into this alloy, which is the stupidest idea in the world ever. I don't know what engineer decided let's do this. That is dumb. That is dumb. Real dumb. I'm gonna say it again. That is dumb. Don't do that. Don't do that when you're designing something like this, because unless you're doing it on purpose, that you want this to break, so we have to be forced to buy a new pump. Okay, yeah. Luckily, this pump wasn't too expensive. It cost somewhere about $98, I think, or just say $100 Australian dollars for that pump. So it comes as a pump. You can buy the pump by itself, and you can buy the housing separately if you really wanted to. But I wanted the whole thing, so I got the pump and housing all in one. That's good. It means that everything's fresh now. Everything's fresh. That's what I'll be working on later today. I'll be working on that. Let me close the. I know the window's open, but still. And there's the Escape, waiting for its radiator and pump. I'm a little bit busy at the moment, so I don't even know if I'll get to do it and finish it all today. I might start on it. I may not finish it all today, but that's what I'm doing, just so I'll let you know. But inside, the reason I'm not even working on the reason why I'm not working on the thing right now is that I'm cooking. I'm cooking my lunch, and of course I like beans, so I've got beans boiling away in there while I am multitasking right now, filming a video for you guys on YouTube and also preparing my lunch. And I am so starving hungry. I'm not even motivated to go out there to do any fixing until I eat. That was a good drink of water there. So that's boiling away. The veggies are ready to go in as soon as this thing is boiled. And then, we will go back to our car stories. Car stories. Oh yeah. Gotta remember to, every now and then, gotta remember to water the plant. Put some water in there. There we go. Now it's nice and hydrated again. I don't overwater it, just put a bit too much in actually. But I won't water it again for another, maybe end of the week, Friday maybe. Today's Monday. So Friday I'll water it again, but I can actually monitor the amount of moisture in it. I can see through this because it's transparent blue glass. Makes it easy to know if it's dry. So that's what's happening here. Oh. Might do a little bit of piano playing today. Just a little bit, not much. Do some piano practice. I don't do this enough, but I should. Let's see if I could actually get a visual on this.